Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!
Hello and welcome back to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Today we answer one of life's big questions. Is it O or is it ow? How do you know when they look exactly the same? Let's find out together. Find yourself a piece of paper or something to write on and have two columns, one for O and one for ow. Puffles will give you a minute to do that. Did you get your paper? A good job. Boom zoop. Now, if you use read, write, ink at school, you might have a useful rhyme to help you remember if it's O or ow. For O, we say, blow the snow. For ow, we say, brown cow. Moo. Let's have a look at some O and ow words now. Owl. Owl is an ow word, where the ow comes at the beginning. That doesn't often happen, but it does for owl. Snow. Snow is an O word. Blow the snow. Oh, Mrs. Boucher, what are you doing? You're dressed as a cow. Moo? Oh my. Next. Can you write those words on your piece of paper? Then we're going to go on a hunt all around a house for O and ow words. And you see if you can write them in the correct column. Let's go! Eeyore has come to help me today to find out if it's ow or oh no. Just O, Eeyore. You don't need the no. Look what we found in the Lego room. Oh no, spooky Lego clowns. But is it O or is it ow? Clone. Clown. Oh, which is it? Write it in the correct column. Bye, Lego clowns. You so spooky. Oh no. Eeyore, what are you wearing? A dressing gown. I don't think it's a dressing gown. I think it's a dressing gown. It's Mrs. Boucher's Minnie Mouse dressing gown. Eeyore, take that off. We've got teaching to do. Come on, honestly. Oh no. The next word is something that neither myself nor my good colleague Eeyore happens to have. It's an elbow. Elbow. Is it ow or is it o? The next word is throw. Throw me the ball, Eeyore. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Nearly got it. Nearly. What is the opposite of above? Below. Wow, look at all this rain. What will our plants do in the rain, Eeyore? They'll grow. Another ow or o word is Eeyore, no more throwing that ball. Oh my goodness, you're going to make Puffles do a big frown. A great job, everybody. How did you do? Did you notice that the O, as in snow, usually comes at the end of the word? So does ow, unless it's before n or l. We can also use the OU, ow sound in the middle of words, but not at the end. We did an episode on this one already. Well done, everyone. Puffles is so proud of you. And no throwing in the house. I mean it. It's very dangerous. Don't do it. My nose hurts. Eeyore, I'm coming for you. Oh, no.
And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!
Okay, here it comes. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, it hit my tail. Okay, I'm definitely ready. Gonna catch it this time for sure.
Okay, if you say so.
Whoa!